Hello everyone. Welcome to your daily English practice. Today, we will learn English through an important life lesson. Many people wait for the perfect time, but success usually starts with one small step. You don't need to be the smartest. You only need to keep going. A small action today is better than a perfect plan that never begins. Imagine planting a tiny seed. You don't see a tree tomorrow, but every day the roots grow. Slow progress is still progress. The same is true for your dreams. Great things happen one step at a time. Don't compare yourself to other people. Compare yourself to yesterday's you. Every mistake teaches you something. Every failure makes you stronger. People who never quit often achieve what others thought was impossible. Remember this. Success is not luck. Success is daily effort. Learn one new word. Read one page. Practice for 5 minutes. Do it every day. Your future self will thank you for the work you start today. Believe in yourself. Stay patient. Keep learning. Keep growing. Thanks for practicing English with me today. See you tomorrow for another lesson.